this is one of my secret weapons. This is like part 1, so the part 2. This is a eyelash curling set. It's from Amazon, of course. It was $13 for every single thing that you see here. It's baby pink and it's so cute and it's so compact and just like perfect for travel. You can throw it in your purse, take it to work, take it on the plane, like wherever. It's the cutest thing. So these are all super compact. This is the first thing that I use. There's a little like comb and a little spoolie. This actually twists off and it's for your eyebrows. So stinking cute. And then you put it back on, you push that back in, you're good to go. And then these little things are the magic makers. This one especially is the magic maker. Oh my gosh, this thing is tiny but powerful. Like, that's the truth. So you actually just push this little thing down and that's the lever and it curls your lashes. Tiny but mighty. If you get this, make note that this little one puts a lot of pressure on your eyelashes, so be gentle and just hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds. I make sure to get like my inner lashes, always the outer lashes. This is perfect for getting every single eyelash in between from start to finish, and it gives such a good curl. And then this one here, same thing, push it down, there's the little lever. And this one I use after I use the little one, and I use this one to make sure that all of my lashes are even. So I go in with this one first, and then I go over it a few different times with this one here. You can apply a little bit more pressure and hold this one down a little bit longer than you can with the little one. And what's cool about this that you probably didn't notice is that there's a little secret hidden compartment that has an extra refill. It also comes with 2 extra refills for both of the eyelash curlers. So, such a good deal. So cute, so compact. It works like magic. I've been curling my lashes for a long time. Nothing has ever worked the way that this set works for my lashes. It's amazing. I will try to do like a before and after, and actually I did a Instagram like demo, so I was getting so many questions, so I just hopped on Instagram and I did a little demo of me curling my lashes and doing my mascara, which I'll show next. And you guys, the before and after is crazy, so I will try to like insert a little clip here like on the side. But if you want to check out the full video, I will put it in my Instagram highlights so you guys can check it out. It's just Bria Krista. Search me and you'll find me. I'll have a link down below too. So my lash curling set takes me into my mascara set, and you guys, holy guacamole. This is like a game-changing mascara. I've never used a 3D fiber lash mascara. This is the first time. I've been using it for a few weeks, and you guys, like, look at my lashes. Like, do they not look fake? This is $20 from Amazon. It is a set. You first put on this enhancing gel, which is step 1, and step number 3. And then step number 2 are these 3D fibers, and then you go back over it. Step 3 with the enhancing gel, and like, holy guacamole, guys. I never thought I would ever be able to achieve this with mascara. Never in my life. So this is amazing. $20. I will have the link down below. You definitely need the eyelash curling set along with this mascara set. Oh girl, lash extensions who? Okay, so anyone that knows me knows that I have to use a straw with my drinks. Otherwise, I literally spill it all over myself, all over my face, all over my shirt, my tops, like all over the car. I spill food and drinks constantly, so I always have to have a straw. And I never want to use plastic straws ever again in my life after seeing the little turtle video. I'm such a huge animal lover and it breaks my heart. So I have been using these metal straws, and I talked about them on Instagram. I got a lot of different questions on them. This is my lemon water. I am obsessed with lemon water. I drink it all day long. But I want to show you guys this metal set that I picked up from Amazon. So this entire set is 15 bucks. It comes with this little travel case, which is incredible because you can toss this in your purse, take it for the drive-thru, for the restaurant, keep it at home, travel. It's so great. And what comes in this are, let me show you, 2 of the larger straws, which this is the one I just took out of my dishwasher and the other one's in my cup, and 2 of these smaller sizes, and it also comes with a brush cleaner. So you have a complete 6-piece metal straw kit that you can take anywhere with you for only 15 bucks. It's such a steal, and I highly recommend everyone make the switch over to metal straws and never use plastic ones again. So I love journaling, I love planning, writing things down in my planner, making lists, making goals, writing everything out. I made a whole video on my vision board. I just love the practice of putting your goals down, putting your visions out, putting everything to the universe, a law of attraction, having faith, like praying. Like, I'm all about that. I think it's good practice, and I definitely think everyone should do it. So I'm a huge fan of this, the Path Planner that I found on Amazon. It's gold coil. It's so cute, and it comes with a matching gold pen. It's the cutest thing. And what's different about this planner than any other planner that I've used before is that it actually like gives you space to put down your goals, your dreams, your visions, like where you want to be, and completely customize this and you like write it down. So the owner gives a really nice introductory page. She gives you a free like downloadable bonus, which I did do. It's an ebook, a vision board that you can print out and keep, as well as a annual planner. So she explains so much about how this path planner works. She gives you a lot of different insights and definitions on things. And then there's a lot of like interactives, which is really nice. You put everything down on paper in this planner, fill everything out. There's so many things that really get you thinking. Just get your like brain moving, get you like so motivated and encouraged. This is the vision board that also comes inside. There's also spaces for you to like be creative and write and doodle, like create anything that you want to on these pages, which is really nice. And then it starts over. You have like a week by week for the month, and then like a day by day for the week. And it's blocked off by times of the day, which is amazing. That's so helpful, especially for keeping you on track and utilizing every single hour in your day. Fell in love with this body scrub the first time that I tried it a few months back. This is by Pure Scrubs. It is a Dead Sea Salt body scrub. I have it in the scent lavender. It's $25 on Amazon. They come in 14 different scents. They're all organic, made naturally, all handmade. They have clean, good ingredients. They're not made with any like harsh chemicals or like any of the yucky stuff that you don't want and something that you're putting into your body. So this is made with Dead Sea Salt, so it's going to exfoliate your skin and then nourish and put those vitamins and minerals back into your skin, and also moisturize and protect. So it comes with this little scoop that you can like scoop out the scrub so you don't have to put your hands in there. It also comes with a little miniature exfoliating loofah, as well as a organic oatmeal bar, which is still in my shower. I love that thing. So I highly recommend this. $25, you get so much for your buck, and the stuff smells amazing. It's filled with so many good oils, and just smelling it, oh, it is incredible. I love this stuff. So these next products I have raved about so much. I am so impressed, so happy with them. They have helped me so much with my anxiety and my stress, and even with like sleep insomnia, sometimes even headaches. Like sometimes I get bad migraines and I turn to these because they help. I'm talking about these Envy Originals jewelry diffusers. These are the lava rock beads. I also have the necklace diffusers, which are so cute. This one is a silver heart, and then this one is a like rose gold circle. They are gorgeous. They come with little felt inserts. They look like this. I keep them right in this plastic container to keep them like together so I don't lose them all. On top of that, each set, so like each necklace is a set, these two are a set, and these two are a set. They all come with their own entire bottle of pure essential oils to use with the diffuser necklaces and the bracelets. And I've done a complete video on this as well and showed it on my Instagram so many times because I love these. With the lava rock beads, you just put a few drops right on the lava rock beads, let them chill for 20 minutes, and then you're good to wear them all day long. Wherever you go, you can have this with you. And then with the necklaces, they have magnetic openings where you can put whatever color felt inserts you want in there. You just put a few drops of the essential oil that comes with it in there, you close it, and you are good to go to wear it and have it right with you all day, no matter what you're doing. These are strong, like they are potent, because this is 100% pure lavender oil. They're made specifically for diffusers, not for your skin, so they are very, very potent. And you guys, they work. So the necklaces and the bracelets are between $20 and $30. You can use the link through Amazon or the link through their website and use the discount code, whatever you prefer. But either way, I highly recommend these to everyone and anyone dealing with stress, anxiety, headaches, just needing to clear your mind, insomnia. Like, essential oils are incredible. I've used them for years and I swear by them. If you haven't tried, you have to. They will change your life, I promise you. Also, like I mentioned, I did do a video on that, so I will leave the video down below. I go into way more detail, show better like details and pictures and everything. So check out that video. I'll leave that down below as well, and like somewhere up here too. The next thing I want to talk about are the lights that I have literally all over my office, including the ones that you see on my mirror here. I'll show you a better look. So these are 10 feet long LED lights. They have adhesive backings and they outline my entire mirror and give me like the brightest, best lighting when I do my makeup. So they plug right into the wall and they have a little control setting here. So I can like change the dimness, I can make it brighter. There's so many settings, and I can even like have them blink crazy like that, have them glow like that. But I prefer just to like have them at the highest light setting and have the best lighting. I love it. They were also super easy and really quick to install, and the best part is they were only $17. The next lights are the lights that outline my huge selfie mirror where I take all of my try-ons and all my selfies. I've shown these before, but I need to show them again. Here's the remote that comes with it, and there's so many options. So right now it's on white because that's what I normally keep it on. But you can do pink, you can do blue, you can do purple, you can do orange, you can do yellow, like you can do teal. There's so many options. It flashes, whoa, and it fades into different colors. So I have these wrapped around my mirror twice. They're adhesive, so they stick right on here. And this is a total of 33 feet of LED lights, and they were only $26. Such a steal. I definitely recommend, especially if you do any kind of like selfies or try-ons for YouTube or Instagram, only 26 bucks. Now the next lights I've shown before too, and these are pretty nifty. So these are light bars. They're actually magnetic, so you can pull them right down, recharge them. They come with their own little USB port. So they have an on-off switch there. It's on, off, and auto because you can control it with the remote. And then on this end is where you charge it. And they also come with their own little remote, so you can turn them on. Oh! And you can also like dim these down, or you can just do 50% light, 100% light. You have a timer on here as well. It comes in a 2-pack for $30. So I also highly recommend these. I actually have them in all 4 squares of my little wardrobe. I did an entire video on this whole wardrobe set too, so if you guys are interested, I have everything linked down below. Check out that video. I also want to share my filming lights that I film with. So these are from Amazon. They were $80 and they're an amazing deal. It comes with all 3 of these lights. They're completely adjustable. It comes with a carrying case along with extra light bulbs, and these have been amazing. I love them. They're the rectangle, and actually this third one can actually like go up and out and give you like overhead ceiling lighting. So these have been amazing. This is what I use to film every single time. They have been so good to me. So I'll have these linked down below as well. Okay, so I have 2 more things that are kind of like home related. And the first one is like such a must-have. These are a lifesaver when you have to move heavy things. When you're a little tiny short human just like me, or if you're like a big old buffly man and you can like lift 300 pounds, like either way, you need these. These are furniture sliders that come in all different sizes and shapes. I have like the oblong oval shape. I moved all my furniture and the dressers and everything. You just pop these underneath there and you can slide your furniture with no effort. It's amazing. You need these. They're only 14 bucks on Amazon. They come in different colors. You can get them for carpet or for hardwood, and they come in like different size packs. I believe I picked up the 4-pack for the $13 for carpet. They also have it for hardwood too, so definitely check these out. They save you so much time and effort. So the next home thing is something that I recently just talked about, and it is a digital antenna for your TV. So we don't pay cable. We don't have a monthly cable bill. We used to, and it was extremely outrageous and unnecessarily high. And we only used TV like a few nights a week, so it really didn't make sense. So we switched over to a digital antenna. This one is from Highline TV. This is on Amazon for $27, and $27 is all you ever have to pay because it scans your channels and you receive all your local channels right to your TV without the recurring monthly bill from your cable company. So bye-bye outrageously high cable bill, and hello to a one-time only expense of a digital antenna for 27 bucks. Like, it's a no-brainer. It's what we use. It's what my dad uses. Like, my whole family pretty much uses a digital antenna. We just all ditched the cable bill, so